Hey, this is Dr. Fryer. Today is September 17th, 2024. I'd like to show you how to turn in your hackathon logo for the hackathon logo assignment. So the first thing to do, it says, is to create a child page under projects titled hackathon logo. So you're going to need to go to your Google site. You're going to go to your projects page, and if you don't have a projects page, you're going to need to create it. And you'll create it by going to Pages, click on Plus, and click Projects. But I do have a Projects page, and so I need a child page. So I'm going to click the three dots, choose Subpage, and I'm going to call it Hackathon Logo. Okay? Boom. I'm done with step one. Step number two says to add both logos to your page. So here in Canva, if I look on my projects, I've worked on a couple of these. I'm going to pick this one. So here's my logo. And I'm going to download this so I can put it into my web page. I'm going to download it by going to Share, and I'm going to choose Download. And this is where I get to choose my format. PNG is suggested, and that's fine. You could also do JPEG, but I'll just go with JPEG. And when I click Download, it's going to download into the Downloads folder of my computer. And this is on my Mac, but it's going to be the same thing on the PC. It's just in the Downloads folder. So now I can go here to my hackathon logo page. I can insert my image by uploading it. I've got to choose my downloads folder, and look at that. Voila, there is my first hackathon logo. Remember that when you stretch images in Google Sites, you may change the aspect ratio. And so after you stretch it to how big you want it, you can simply click the second button here, which is uncrop, and it will fix it so that the entire image is shown. You actually do have two images, and so one of the things to keep in mind in Canva is that you don't have to start over when you're going to create something similar. So if I'm going to create my horizontal or rectangular logo, and I want it to look similar to that, I can choose to create a new design, and I can make it a custom size, 2000 by 400. And instead of just starting over, I can go over to this one that I've already made. I can select everything on the PC by doing Control A. On the Mac, it would be Command A. And then all of that stuff will simply come over here. And then I can resize it. So I don't have to redo all of this. I can just resize. So I can say this is Hackathon. I can keep my Charger logo, make it bigger. I can move my graphic over here. Boom. And I didn't have to change any colors. I just, move stuff around. Boom, I'm done. Okay? Probably want to make sure it has a good title. So I could say Hackathon Logo 2 or whatever. And the process is the same. Share, download. PNG is fine. It goes into my downloads folder, and now I'm ready to put it in the same way. Image, upload, put it in. I will stretch it, okay, to make it go across, and I can click uncrop, and then I could actually delete this and just have that as the top. But there we go. There's my page. And so to turn my page in, I'm always going to click Publish, Publish, and then I click on my arrow to say View the Publish Site. And I am done with that assignment, okay? I can submit it by saying Start Assignment, paste in the link, and I am done.